Hello guys, dito na naman tayo sa San Francisco, California. Driving from Crugadas Road here in Lombard Street. The Crugadas Road in the world, San Francisco, California, guys. Ikot mo sa akin. Ikot mo sa akin, mahal, ha?
Everybody agrees. I'll stare directly at the sun, but never in the mirror. It must be
Taas ng elevation pala nito. Taas pa sa Oregon. 25,000 ano ng elevation niya, oh. Kaling. Para kang nasa ano lang, oh.
The family gathers around and reads it, and then someone screams out, she's laughing up and
Best! The best na naman si Mrs. Tulio. Pakusing-kusing na naman si A&M. After Thursday, Las Vegas ka na naman. Sarap buhay. Galing.
Everybody agrees, everybody agrees. It's me, high on the problem, it's me, the problem, it's me. Everybody agrees, I'll stare directly at the sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, all good.